As the country continues to battle a dengue outbreak, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is being blasted by some members of the Portmore Municipal Corporation. Portmore's Mayor Leon Thomas is demanding a meeting to discuss the way forward. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
Vector control activities in full swing in Portmore St. Catherine. From communities to schools, still complaints that it's not enough. At a recent stakeholders meeting on dengue, tempers were high as residents and councillors demanded answers. It was reported that the Ministry of Health allocated some $300,000 for each division in Portmore to assist with vector control activities. Mayor for Portmore, Leon Thomas, is disturbed.
Our transfer $300,000 to this division. We don't want it.
According to the mayor, the Portmore Municipal Council did some assessment and the amount being offered by the ministry is not sufficient.
The figure that our engineer put together is $7.2 million. This is it. We're not saying that the minister should give us $7.2 million because there are other communities or parishes that they have to deal with. And that's the reason why we started. But you can't come to Portmore with the crisis that is here and offering $300,000 per division.
Mayor Thomas argues that based on reports from the schools, there is need for an urgent response.
We need to pool our resources together and look at the critical communities based on the recommendation from the public health department and we move towards it.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton toured the Gregory Park community recently. Councillor for the Waterford Division, Fentley Douglas, had concerns.
Portmore has 110 communities the last time I checked. Not one community. And he toured, and if I must be a politician, I could say, Minister, I am from Waterford, and he toured the only JLP division that is affected in the entire Portmore. So the other people who live in other areas, they're not important. They must dead.
Why you advise Minister Tufton to tour Gregory Park? Just explain that to the public, please.
Councillor, I think we're past there. The minister was advised by the technical team. Henceforth, argument done.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.